Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is Epson extraction photo XP-8700 printer. We're going to unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. This printer is very good with photo. It's a multifunctional printer. You can copy, scan, print from this gear. Like the packaging. So what we have here is the ink. This is the ink cartridges. Here's the ink cartridges. BKLM and yellow color. And also here is the second batch of the ink. So this is the ink cartridges. And the ink cartridges is using 378 or 378 extra large and LC, C and M. The ink cartridges is 378 black color, red, blue, yellow, various color. So here is the ink included in the packaging. Now, this is the CD-ROM. Download the driver and the software to be able to use this printer. But if you connect this printer using the app, then you don't need to download the software. Okay. So here is the power cable included in the packaging. 3-pin power cable. I like this printer, very nice and compact. Look at that. Beautiful stuff, very nice. This gear is very compact and I like the surface. Doesn't take a lot of space. What I'm going to do is start removing the packages so that we can do the work. Okay, remove. Now here is the scanner, flat belt scanner. So you stick your document, ID card you want to copy or scan on top of the scanner and select the function from this touch screen pad and it will do the job. Okay, so right now what we need to do is bring this out. Okay, and here is where the paper so here is the paper tray. You load particular photo paper on top. So this is photo paper. The bottom one is there for A4 paper. Okay. So the bottom one, this is for A4 paper. You load particular paper you want. 5x7, A5, A4 paper, 4x6 right here. Okay. Now bring this up for you to load particular ink. Once you open it up, the ink cartridges will come right in the middle, but you need to switch this printer on for this to work. At the moment what we are doing is just removing all the packages. Then there we go. Okay, now what we need to do is close this, and likewise here. You can also load small paper at the back. What we need to do is to plug this on. So here is the power cable, 3-pin power cable included in the packaging. This is where the power cable goes goes in here. The other end is for USB cable. It goes in here. So this printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network. Likewise USB cable connection. With USB cable, you stick this end to your PC and download the driver to your PC. If your PC, you need to stick this to your laptop. But if you haven't got the PC that got this, then you need to go to Epson website and download the printer software and driver. Now what we need to do is to turn this around and to plug it on to the socket. Okay, so plug it on to the socket, switch this printer on right here and wait. You can see it's getting ready. English language, select English language. Okay, now it's telling us scan code to set up the printer with your mobile device. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is with your mobile device, you can actually scan the code with your mobile device from the Epson panel, or you can continue without setup app. This is the unboxing and overview of this printer.